I started business at a very young age in my years at the university in the first year. And I was able to buy a car in my second year at the university through prudent business practices. I see an opportunity for our young people that if they are focused, they decide what they want to do, they become go-getters. With a government like ours that is willing to allow them latitude into the business space, they have every opportunity to make it to the very top. So this summit today is very encouraging to me, where we have young entrepreneurs from all over the world, young people with business ideas coming together to exchange views and ideas so that they enrich each other's thinking. And I must tell our young people here today and the rest of the world, this is your time. Take your space. You must lead in all spheres. You must take leadership in business. You must take leadership in entrepreneurship. You must take leadership in politics. And nobody will come to get you from your house to lead. You must get out of your house and seek for leadership in all spheres. And it is your time because you have the advantage of age, youthfulness, fresh ideas, and you are the commanders of the tech space, which is the driving force of all the economies and business across the world.